Hello guys, I'm Tanvi and I will show you how to get rid of your flow system problems. So what you need to do, you need to buy a 12-volt water pump, and it is available on eBay, Amazon, and it costs maximum I think $12 or 12 $13. So I have already fitted that pump. I'll just show you. So guys, so this is small water pump you can buy on eBay, 12-volt. I have attached with my laptop charger, but you can use whatever you want. So it works. I need to plug in the switch. It works, as you see. So I will show you water flow. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe and like my video and share if you want. Thank you very much. Bye bye.